ropa rake richataura enda kwari pedzerana handizvizive. Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode of Life with Tatelicious. And I'm your host, Tatelicious Karigambe Sandberg. Today I'm talking about a personal experience, a personal story, which gave me some sort of relief, identity, strength, confidence. I was supposed to be a man. Even my relatives, even the people I went with to school, I am a great disappointment to them because they expected Tatenda Karigambe to be that man who ended up having a beautiful wife, beautiful children, because they believed that I am a better man. But to tell you the truth, sometimes what people see outside is not what happens in your brain, what you feel from inside. I'm telling you, it was a very hard decision for me to disappoint people who believed in me, to disappoint my family, to disappoint relatives, friends, schoolmates. Up to now, they still talk shameful words about me. Do I blame them? No. Do I feel sorry for them? No. Do I respect their opinions? Yes. Because they expected me to fall in what the society thinks a man is and a woman is. And mind you, this had been a struggle, even for me to stand to say, you know what, I'm no longer a man, I'm a woman. The fact why I am talking about is what people think about us. What people stipulate about your life. You really know what you want in life. You really know who you are in life. Yes, I would say it's much better for some young people who are still being taken care of their family. Go with the family rules. Don't say because Tatelicious came out and I'm going to come out also. It's going to jeopardize your guardianship, you being taken care of your parents or your guardians. They might chase you out of the house and you don't have anywhere to go. No one is no longer paying your school fees. Those are the important things to put into consideration. It's a matter of time. You can stay for a while, go to school, finish your education, move out of your house and start living your life. Some people have been taken control, have been ruled forever by their families, by their parents. Even if they are now having their own homes, being parents, they are still being controlled by their parents or their guardians or whoever who controls them. Today, it's a time where I want you to say, wake up. Wake up and start living your life. Yes, some of the people might have realized that I lived a lie 40, 60 years, but now I want to start afresh. Of course, it's your life. Do it respectfully. Maybe you have been told that be a doctor when all you wanted was to be a musician. Or you have been told to be, someone who is quiet when all you wanted is to be talkative and maybe be a journalist. I am saying to you, it's not easy, but start from somewhere. When you realize that your life is more important than anything else in this world. Because if you die, you are gone. And of course, people will talk good about you. But did you really want to be talked good about, or you wanted to live a wonderful, beautiful, meaningful, authentic life? I am saying to you today, no matter what the world might say to you, no matter what rocks might be thrown at you, remember that your life is very important. Remember to live an authentic life. Some people in families are forgetting to control or to take heed of their families. Their children are being controlled by their parents. Instead of you controlling your own family, you are letting your parents control it. And children are now having a biased identity to say who is really the father and mother of this house, when grandmother and grandfather are telling us what to do. Don't let that happen. Make your life meaningful. Go out. If you're a believer, if you're a Christian, pray about it. Away from people. Yes. Kana muri mugomo endaye mugomo munonamata. Speak with the Lord, or speak with your ancestors, or speak with whoever you believe, so that you are given that strength to carry on. At the end of the day, your happiness is the most important thing. I wish and hope and trust that we all live meaningful life. The song I was playing is from Joyous Celebration 21, and it's called Ndoyenda. I am going. Start going with your life now. March forward. Continue to say, this is my life, and this is my family, and these are my children, and I want them to be happy, not to be controlled by anyone. Maybe you don't have a family. You are just alone. But don't be fooled by friends who think they can live their lives through you. I believe and trust that someone will be inspired today to start living a truly truthful, meaningful life. Yes, my friends who I went to school, especially the men, they laugh at me. They mock at me. But hey, life goes on. I cannot live John's life. I cannot live Takura's life. Or I cannot live, what's his name, Simbaresha's life. I live my life, Tatelicious' life. So I just want to tell you that keep on going. Rambau chifamba. Keep on going. Don't care. Don't mind what they say. Just keep on strolling with your life. It's your girl, Tatelicious Karigambe Sandberg, and the crew behind the scenes. We love you so much. And no matter how the storm becomes big, learn to dance in the rain. I love you so much. And Makandikoshera, Mufunge.